Students, so this is the time after that we are going to start with sugar derivatives. This particular topic is associated with the formation of certain derivatives with the help of those sugars. What is the meaning of a derivative? I mean, substitution of a particular group by some another group. So let's take an example over here. So, for example, if you have studied glucose structure, you may have seen in this case, you can see the replacement of an aldehyde group with a carboxylic group. You can see the COOH, right? The replacement of carboxylic, I mean aldehyde with this acidic group. So at position number 1, when it is being replaced with COOH, this is D-gluconic acid. So suddenly the glucose has been converted to gluconic acid. Then if you see at position number 6, when it is CH2OH is replaced by COH, it is called as D-glucuronic acid, right? So when I'm replacing an aldehyde or ketone, it is resulting in alcoholic form. If you see ribitol over here, CH2OH, this is ribitol, sugar alcohol. When I am replacing it with the acidic group, it is called as sugar acid. So we name it as gluconic acid and glucuronic acid. Gluconic acid is when position number 1 is replaced. Glucuronic acid is when position number 6 is replaced. So in short, you have studied about ribitol, which is a sugar alcohol, and gluconic and glucuronic acid, which is a sugar acids. Now amino sugar is one such next category. If you have seen the ring structure yesterday, which I have discussed in the class, if you see at position number 2, there is a replacement. All the replacement is being shown up with the blue colored substituents. Here the amino group has been replacing the OH group. So if you see amino is replacing this, so this is called as amino sugar. Just like sugar acid, sugar alcohol, this is amino sugar. Fine. So we call it as replacement of OH group from amino group. It is called as amino sugar, and when it is being substituted by a specialized acetyl group, which is represented over here. देखो बहुत easy है समझना. In this structure, in this NH2 is replacing OH. We call it as glucosamine because amino group is there. In this, when this compare, you just compare NH2, एक H निकाल दो यहाँ से, remove one H. That H is replaced by the COCH3, which we call it as N-acetyl glucosamine. So glucosamine and N-acetyl glucosamine, these are as amino sugars. So one is amino sugar and one is acetylated amino sugar, right? This is called as glucosamine and N-acetyl glucosamine. Fine. Okay, so next one is N-acetyl neuraminate. If you see at position number 1, 2, 3, 4, the replacement is again that acetyl group is changing its position. अभी position 2 पे आपने देखा था. Now at position number 4 you can see it over there, and also at position number 5 there is a replacement with the help of R group. What is this R group? It is mentioned over here. So it is also called as sialic acid, and it is a kind of residue of glycoproteins. In glycoproteins, which is an association of carbohydrate and protein, so this particular molecule is present in glycoprotein as a part of carbohydrate. Glyco means carbohydrate, protein means proteins, right? So what is the role of sialic acid? It helps in imparting the negative charge to the glycoproteins because of its carboxylic group. So that is the main key feature over here. I'll be discussing about glycosidic bond in my next uploading slides. Thank you.